Hi you guys, I just wanted to make a video about how to see feedback. I give feedback on your at least one assignment a week, and I really would hope that you can read that feedback because it can help you improve for the next week's assignments. If you don't read it, then we're not able to improve. And so I'm going to show you two places. My Grades is the first place you can see it. Click My Grades and Grades, and once you do that, you can scroll down, and in this column is where you'll see any comments that I may have left. So here, here's some comments for me. The one thing I don't like is if I said something like, for number 2, here's what I would suggest. If I want to see that, I can't click on the template. So there's another place that helps, and it's on assignments. Quizzes are automatically graded by the computer, so I don't grade those. But assignments are the ones I grade. And so I grade all of these and discussion boards. So I have 3 assignments a week that I grade plus your discussion board. If you have a score, it means I've graded it. And if you see something that says view, it means I have left some feedback. If you see a dash, it means I have not graded it yet. And if there's a 1 right here, it means you have submitted it. I just haven't graded it yet. If you see a score there and you've submitted it, but no view, it means I just haven't left feedback. So I don't always leave feedback on all of them. Usually for sure 1, and then sometimes 2 of the assignments. So you just click on view and it will take you to my feedback if I scroll down. Here's my feedback. If you want to go to the template that you uploaded and I graded, it's right here. I just uploaded a document from my computer. So that is how you will see what I have to say, and hopefully it will help you make some changes to the future assignments. And ask me questions. If you don't understand my feedback, let me know. Sometimes it's hard to communicate what I mean with grammar rules through typing. I try to do videos sometimes, but I would love to help you if you still have a question about some feedback I left. But please go watch the feedback or read my feedback. I would love if you are reading it, and then we can all be improving. Thanks.